So today I'm going to show you how to balance the RS3 or RS3 Pro gimbal with the vertical mount adapter in next to no time. So let's get started. Balancing the gimbal with or without the vertical mount is exactly the same method, but let's show you how to do this regardless just in case. Make sure to put the gimbal on a flat work surface. Remove the horizontal bracket and replace it with the vertical mount. Get the gimbal plate and attach it as normal to the camera. Here I'm using a Sony a6500 along with the 16-35 zoom lens. First we unlock the tilt axis and then balance the camera facing forward. Making sure the plate is unlocked, use the forward and backwards knob to balance it like so. Don't forget to lock the plate once it's done. Next, with the camera face up this time, balance the camera again and slide the camera up and down until it's balanced. And don't forget to make sure to tighten the knob again. At this point the camera should stay in any position you leave it in. It shouldn't be too top or bottom heavy. When the camera stays in a static position, you are ready to move on. Now the roll axis. Unlock the roll axis lock. Loosen the knob and slide the bracket of the gimbal left or right until the roll axis is balanced. Tighten it back up once you're done, and again when you get to the point where the camera stays in position when you move it, means you're doing a good job. Next up is the pan axis, which is the last one. Unlock it and tilt the gimbal on its side at 45 degrees or so. The aim is not to get any movement at all when you do this. Loosen the pan knob, slide the pan axis forward or backwards until you see no movement from the gimbal when you tilt it to either side. Make sure to tighten it back up, and now your gimbal is ready to use. If you like this video, you may want to check out this one too. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.